This is a sound test I'm doing between the 2013 Pixel, seen here on the left, and the 2015 new Pixel, seen here on the right. I do have the sound issue, and Google wanted me to show them in a video, so here we go. This first will be the original Pixel.
Legs don't work like they used to before, and I can't sweep you off of your feet. Will your mouth still remember the taste of my love?
Now I'm going to switch over to the other one.
Sweep you off of your feet. Will your mouth still remember the taste of my love? Will your eyes still smile from your cheek? Darling,
Going back to here.
will your eyes still smile from your cheek? Darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. And baby, my heart will be loving you till we're 70. And baby,
You should be hearing more distortion rattle on the one on the right, a lot more volume and fullness to the one on the left in the original Pixel, and that concludes my video. Thank you.